Hey guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today I wanted to show you guys a 2023 Harris 250 Crowne. Let's go ahead and start on the outside and then jump on the inside to show you guys some of these nice features. So to start off with, we have our main hull color being in the midnight blue. Gives this an absolutely incredible look with the fiberglass bow that the Crowne offers. And then of course matched up with that stainless steel rub rail going all the way around, really gives this thing an incredible premium look on the water. Then as you can see, we also do have a really nice accent color going all through the color in the back with our midnight blue tower. So this just has a great look, bow to stern, and just has that really sweet premium look that we all like out of a Harris Crowne. Then as we come back here to the stern, I do want you guys to notice we got a 400 horsepower Mercury Verado, and it is actually running right now. It's a sweet engine, super quiet. If you need to hammer down and get somewhere, it'll be able to do it, or putt around at a slow speed. It can really take anything that you guys need it to do. Then also one nice feature this boat has built out is the safety rail package here in the stern. So this is going to allow you to close this door off and actually be able to keep riding on the back of this lounger right here. Makes your life a lot easier, and you can actually utilize this part of the boat while you're underway. Then of course you also do have your tow bar, so that way you can do skiing, tubing, wakeboarding, you name it. It's all fit to do any water sport that you put it through. Then as we go into the interior here, we do have the Sunlounger layout with this beautiful layback seat here, and everything on the Crowne is nice and easy to use, as you got everything on toggle switches, so that way you really don't have to work to move around this interior at all. Then also notice we do have a jail audio audio package, and we even have a remote right here, so that way you don't have to get up out of your seat to change that audio. Then as we get further onto the inside, do notice the much different vibe that the Harris interior or the Crowne interior offers. So you'll see we got really nice cross stitching, very nice stitching all the way around as it's color matched to the exterior, and this boat just feels so much different. Even from the Grand Mariner, it just has a step above, and it just has a really good feel overall. Then as we get over to the helm, you'll notice that we do have a Simrad G07 chart plotter. This also will display all of our engine information as well, so that way you guys are informed on what is going on with your engine at all times. And then you even have a digital throttle right here that is able to shift into gear extremely smoothly, and even has active trim built in. Then as we go up to the bow here, do notice this boat does have an ottoman that is a cooler. So this is awesome. You can move it around to any part of the boat. It is weighted, so it's not just going to slide around when you don't want it to. Then last but not least, finishing off the premium experience with a beautiful teak table. So this just adds that level of excitement, level of premium feel, and it's super easy to walk around it, as you can flip that table in half and really be able to walk around nice and easily. All right guys, my name is Connor Marr with MarineMax in Lake Wylie. If you guys are interested in hearing more information about this boat or even scheduling a test drive, just let us know. Thank you for watching.